lovelies, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a waist bead, and then the materials we're going to need is the scissors. This is a stopper, beads, needle. This needle is a size 10 needle. It's a beading needle. It's for beading. And then a fishing line. I'm using fishing line for this project. So for the fishing line, I cut out 36 inches. That is the waist I'm using. I'm using a waist of 36 inches, and then I added 2 extra inches. Okay, so this is my stopper. I'm just going to open it up, put the fishing line into it, and then I'm going to put this tiny bead inside again to act as a second stopper. If you watched my first video on how to make an anklet, you'd see I used this tiny bead as a second stopper. So now I'm just going to tie this up, and then we can start beading. So it's secured. So remember I told you that you needed a tiny bead. You needed a tiny needle. This needle is what is going to help you make your beading fast. So I'm going to put this fishing line into my needle, and then I'll come and show you what next to do. Okay, so this is the colors I have chosen to use. You can see it's multi-colored. So I put it on the table so it will be easy for me to just pick, and then I move on with it. So this is what you're just going to keep doing. You just pick whatever color you want, and you move on with it. We are gradually getting to the end. This is how far we've gone. I'm loving it already. So this is the length I've gotten so far. I want to put in my stopper now. so I can tie it up. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you the final look of this beautiful waist bead. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like. It's beautiful. So you can make this yourself at home. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.